In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing DLL files in Windows 11. If you've ever encountered those pesky missing DLL file errors, you know how frustrating they can be. Fortunately, with a little guidance, you can resolve this issue and get your system running smoothly again. So let's dive into it. First, you need to determine if the error is specific to a single application. If you notice that the error pops up when using a particular program, the issue might be with that application itself. In that case, the best course of action is to reinstall the affected application. Here's how you can do that efficiently. Start by opening your Settings menu on Windows 11. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Apps section and then select Installed Apps. Here you can see a list of all the applications currently installed on your PC. Find the application that's causing the error. Once located, click on it and choose Uninstall. After the uninstallation process completes, it's a good practice to restart your PC to ensure all components related to the application are fully removed. Once your PC has rebooted, your next step is to download and reinstall the latest version of the application from the developer's official website. By downloading the latest version, you ensure that you're getting the most current and hopefully bug-free version of the software, which might resolve the DLL issue. Once the application is reinstalled, give it a test to check if the error persists. If reinstalling the application doesn't solve the problem, or you're experiencing this error with multiple programs, we'll need to ask Windows to help us out. Windows has a built-in tool called the System File Checker, which can be extremely useful in this situation. System File Checker, or SFC, is designed to scan and restore corrupted system files, which might include your missing DLL files. To use System File Checker, begin by opening the command prompt with administrative privileges. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on Command Prompt and selecting Run as Administrator. Once in the command prompt window, type the command sfc/scano and press Enter. This initiates the scan, and it's important to sit tight while SFC does its thing. Depending on your system, this scan might take some time, but it's worth it as it checks for various system file corruption issues. Once the scan is complete, it will notify you of any repairs it has made, or if no issues were found. Regardless of the outcome, it's recommended to restart your PC. Restarting your system helps apply any changes the command might have made, including restoring missing or corrupted DLL files. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to tackling those missing DLL file errors on Windows 11. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having a system that runs smoothly without any pesky interruptions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful Windows tips and tricks.